here with us is the representative from...
Thank you very much, and thank you for those wonderful words. I met this young lady, Nibita, at the end of last year, and she's obviously their family. They're originally from Fiji, now live in the States, and she's a young lady that's going places. Is currently at the moment doing her medical degree. As we know, in the States it's a graduate program, so she had done a previous degree and now is doing the medical program. And obviously she comes across as a very sincere person, and obviously linking with other Fijian former Fiji citizens and also other supporters around North America in terms of supporting this course in which she started, which is called EqualMed. This began with very small beginnings, back as we heard, back in 2013, has drawn a lot of support all around North America, and also beginning to have traction on the ground here on the work that's been doing with the Diabetes Foundation and also with other areas. They're originally from Rewa, so they've been a lot of their support over the years has been out towards Wayne Bokasi and also into the Tambara area, which I think is very useful. One thing that we are very happy to see, that former Fiji citizens are taking control of their geographical areas, so as to speak. We have also others who are formerly of Lambasa, for example, that have indicated that they want to support programs up in Lambasa. But Nabita and her family and Mr. Sarma, they're originally from Rewa, and a lot of their work over the years has been towards also supporting Nosori and also the Wayne Bokasi Hospital. This year is, if I'm correct, will be the first time in which they've actually landed a 40-foot container. So from what were the small beginnings over the years, and now they've actually landed a 40-foot container. And we're very grateful for the roles that she and others have done. Obviously, being a volunteer movement, it requires a lot of time outside of their normal time. And her being also a medical student, I congratulate her for taking time out of her studies to be able to do this, and also her family for supporting her. And I hear that the value is more than 1 million Fiji dollars, and we're really grateful. So EqualMed, thank you very much. Nabalewu, thank you for the loloma and the compassion for our people in Fiji, and this will really be put to good use. And also Nibita, when she emailed me to say that it was coming, I said thank you to her, but obviously the photos today, we will send it back to her and to say thank you to her and her family. Nabalewu.